Okay, so to fix your problem, well, it's not really a problem. You wanted help, right? So if I go here and here, yeah, you said you wanted it so there's a capacity limit, okay? And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna go to our data store. You remember this, right? So ores, right? We have ores. What we're gonna make is another value. Okay, we're gonna make something. So up here, we're gonna make something called. We're actually gonna make another folder also. So we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it, and instead we're gonna call this. Let's just call it extras or something. Okay, doesn't really matter what you call it. So they go extras, extras, and extras. There you go. And then we're gonna make a value. We're gonna copy coins here. We're gonna make a value called limit. Well, or we could call it or capacity. Capacity. Okay. Capacity. Okay. The reason why we're gonna do this is okay. Wait. Also, the parent should be extras. Yeah. Okay. The reason why we're doing this is because if you ever want to make a game pass or something to change it, you can't. So then, what we're gonna do is go down here, and we're gonna add obviously not extras. We're gonna add ors capacity equals data 4, and then we're also gonna add another line saying if data 4 is equal nil, or data 4 is not is equal to 0, then we're gonna do or capacity dot value. Oh, we also forgot to add dot value to this. Dot value equals 10 because you wanted 10 as the limit. So then we're gonna add it down here. We're gonna add also the extra folder. So we'll call extra. I think it's called extra, right? Just extras. Okay, extras, extras, and then we're gonna add our limit. So local or capacity equals extras dot or capacity. Okay, so now we're gonna add it to our table here, or capacity dot value, and there we go. And the reason why we're making another folder is so then it doesn't show up in our, up here in the leaderboard. We don't want that because we don't want to see their limit for some reason, the random stuff. Okay, so we got that done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create. We're just gonna go back into our data store. We're gonna actually add it in here. What we're gonna do is down here, not in in the player added down here. We're just gonna go down here under if success, right? And we're gonna add something. We can add a weight if you want. I'm gonna just do this. We're gonna make sure ors is always below or capacity. Okay, so we can't get any more ores. So we're gonna do we could do a task dot spawn function, or actually we could do this. We could do ors, right? Dot change connect function. Okay, so we could check if the value changes, and then we could do if ors dot value is more than or capacity, then what we're gonna do, actually, or equal to, we're gonna do equal to, and then we could do then ors dot value equal or capacity dot value, and we also forgot to add dot value here, and this is supposed to be like that. There, so they equal each other. So now let's try it out. Let's test it. So this should just make it so you can't. Basically, it shouldn't allow it to be possible. So if I, let's say, change ors for a second, 5, Should... Oh, wait, let me check extras real quick. Oh, yeah, extras is 10. So let's set ors to 0. And equal 10. That's strange. So let's check. If ors value is more... Oh, oh my gosh. I'm so dumb. I forgot math for a second. Okay. We actually gotta do this other way around. There we go. Equals. There we go. So now it should do it. Okay. So let's check. And yeah, ors is 10 right now. So if I, let's say, make ors 11, which should not be possible. So let's make ors 11. And it sets it right back to 10. There we go. And this is good and useful. So then, the last thing I will do is make it so it cannot ever be possible by copying this if statement and putting it up here. So then it checks it first, then it will do this, okay? There we go. So now if I press play, it should be perfect and works amazing. It works amazingly. So let's say I somehow bypassed it or whatever. Like, what if I got, like, infinite? Actually, I don't even think that worked. Oh, no, that's error. It's gonna come there. Yeah, okay, you could never bypass a loop. So that means we could actually increase OR capacity. And it works amazing. So, there you go. That's how you make a capacity limit. Just like that.